What's up guys, this is KhoPhi here. Today we have a huge unboxing and it's been a while since I did an unboxing video, but this one is big enough. I need to do an unboxing. I wanted to do it a live video, but I think the quality wasn't going to be good, so I decided to just record it but then unboxing and share with you guys. Before we proceed, I want to say I am happy to give the first 5 people who support this channel on Patreon a free t-shirt. That's that. You can find a link to my Patreon account in the description below. First 5 Patreon supporters get a free t-shirt. That's this t-shirt I'm wearing right here. That's the Experience Ghana today. Well, now let's get into it. This is coming from South Africa. So I bought this from a shop in South Africa called Flying Robots. Basically, I've wanted to have this in Ghana, but there is no courier service that ships to the country and delivers drones like this FPV, and I couldn't also get batteries related to the FPV. For those of you who've been on this channel for a while, you know I do drone videos, and for some time now I've been sharing a ton of those videos with you guys. What I am trying to move into in recent months, which I started working on about 2 months ago, is to start flying what they call FPV drones. The word FPV basically means first person view. And how that kind of drones work is it allows you to fly like a bird and be able to like capture shots, whatever you want to do. And it allows for certain maneuvers that the normal DJIs cannot. So you can do racing and acrobatics with the FPV kind of drones. So I've wanted to fly it and have been, flying in a simulator for some time now. Okay, I need to get something to get into this thing. And so one of the challenges was trying to get this kind of drone to buy in Accra. And with all the enquiries I made and the people I reached out to, I got nobody or no shop that was actually selling this FPV. I couldn't get any in Accra, and so when I came to Kenya, I also made it my job to look for somewhere I can get this FPV to buy. So this is, I think, the first package. They are supposed to be 2. Let's get into this. Okay, so moment of truth. Here we go. I think let me put this laptop here for now. And this is the other package, which we'll be getting into. This was actually custom built by the Flying Robot shop. I'm going to put their link in the description if you want to check out their package. This is all the items in this build. So this was actually put together customly by the Flying Robot team, which I'm really excited they did that. Ooh. Okay, what is in here? I think these are cables. Okay, yeah. So this is a cable that connects from the DJI FPV, DJI Air Unit to the the flight controller. So really handy they added such a cable so that it can be easy. So these are the propellers. Compared to the drone I have, these propellers are huge, and yeah, this is a really big propeller compared to the one I've been using. So this is the Freestyle. This is a Freestyle drone. The one I built that I did a successful flight this morning, that one is a Cinewhoop. So they are smaller in size compared to these ones. Now, this frame is rock solid. Wow. So with this, the only thing I need to do is slot in the Air Unit. I just have to plug in the connector to the one on board here, and with that I can just bind it and I'll be good to go. So I think they've tuned everything, they've done all they need to do, but I'll double check on the computer in the beta flight software to double check everything before I fly this thing. And I like the way they've built it. Like, this thing is built like a tank, very rigid, neatly built, very beautiful. Like, oh dear. Anyway, so this is done. In the box we have a few straps. You can use it to, you know, clamp anything. I don't know at the moment, but I will try and see if I can attach the DJI Osmo to this. So that's something I'll be looking into as well. I've got a lot of straps here that I can use as and when need be. So that's it for the Freestyle. So these are normally for outdoor flying, not for indoors. The other one, the Cinewhoop, is the indoors kind of drone, but this one is normally in an open space somewhere in the field, you know. That's it with this one. Let's put that aside for now. So this is similar to the one I built. This one comes with everything fitted in already. If you notice, I did not get DJI Air Unit for this one. That's the camera and the antenna, and that's because I already have one, which is the one I'm using in the Cinewhoop I custom built. I would simply just transfer it to this one if I want to use that. I want to use that drone to practice around and fly around and, you know, get things working before I touch these like professionally built ones. So let's get into the Holybros. This is a lot of unboxing for a day, but really exciting one. Okay, so we've got, I really like the case. That's good. Oh, this is beautiful. Wow. Wow. Compared to what I did, this is cleanly built. Like, what I did was real trash. You know, this is really clean. But it looks a lot like my, in terms of the size, if you look at the size comparison, you realize this is really tiny and it's a small drone. Not the smallest, because there are, I think, tiny hoops which are relatively smaller than this, but this is the frame, and yeah. So this is the Holybro Cinewhoop, Holybro Kopis Cinewhoop, and it comes pre-built, so the DJI is already fitted in it. I think they've also added some landing parts here, 3D printed. Perfect. So you can see from my previous video the drone, you know, slapping on the ground and stuff like that. With these ones, it means this will be the landing, and the guard and the body wouldn't need to be touching the ground all the time. Amazing. This is cleanly built. I love it. That's it for the unboxing. Let's get to the details of how to get all these. So I actually made a post on Reddit asking how I can get stuff like this into the country, into Kenya here. I had two options. The first option I had already was the flying robot. The other option was buying in a shop in the US and giving to a courier to bring it down to Kenya. You see the courier in the on the screen at the moment. That's the name of the courier, and they are able to deliver drones. So they were gonna like deliver it. I had gotten in touch with the flying robot folks already, and so I decided to just proceed with them. Their prices was reasonable. They were just here in South Africa, so it was relatively closer getting it to Kenya than, you know, trying to buy it from the UK and stuff like that. I will link in the description below the prices for these and stuff like that. So how I got into the country is simple. I bought it from the flying robot folks, and they did, I don't know how much paperwork they did, but they sent it over. And when it got to customs here in Kenya, I think the delivery was supposed to be done by DHL. So DHL took over the process and requested for customs fee to be paid and everything. After doing that, they just hand over the package to me. So they gave to a courier to bring it to me here in Kiambu. So that's basically the process involved in that. There wasn't much on my side to do except buy it. But if you're in Ghana, I don't know exactly. You would have to reach out to the Flying Robot folks to learn more if they can deliver also to Ghana, because they usually work with deliveries to the East Africa region. So to come to Ghana, I imagine they will be interested in also exploring that opportunity. You might want to reach out to them and, you know, find more details related to that. So that's it with getting the FPV into Kenya. The next step will be me going to register these drones. So I need to walk into the Aviation Authority to get these drones registered. All drones need to be registered in the country. So this, that, and the custom built ones all need to be registered, which I'll start work on ASAP. So that's it with the unboxing video. I'll make a follow-up video of, you know, putting in the batteries and try to fly it and what the experience is like. But I will need to tune it first and run it through some updates, like the Air Unit, update the software if needs be, and stuff like that. But I will make another video to talk about that. So in this case, that's all about getting the drone into the country and where I bought it and how I got it here. So yeah, that's about it. We'll come your way with more videos related to this and how to go about FPV stuff. Really an exciting day for me, but more learning to do and more room for improvement. Thank you for joining me in this one. If you like this one too and would like to see more of content like this, FPV stuff, make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any future videos. Let me know in the comments what else you'd like to know about this setup and anything. Make sure to also check the description for all the links related to this video and how to buy them and how much they cost and stuff like that. And if you're interested in also purchasing from them, you can actually do that as well. That's it, and I'm KhoPhi. We'll hope to catch you in the next one. Bye. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Please support me in making more videos like this with the link in the description below. So here's a fun fact. This is actually a customs clearance from here in Kenya. I think this is a DHL, and I paid for my customs duty for this package around 10 p.m. in the night on my phone using M-Pesa. Let that sink in. I never had to go to customs. I never had to meet anybody. I got a beautiful email from a gentleman called Evans. Told me how to pay, paid, got this package delivered to me. I don't even know where the customs here in Kenya is. I feel like I needed to say that. So I think these are extra accessories that comes with it that yeah, really nice. Really nice. So these are all extra accessories, good ones. This is, I think, battery straps. Yeah, you put it on top and then get that friction with your battery. And they also threw in a cable. This is the cable I've been looking for. It's angled so you can plug it in like so. You can plug it in from the side here. So you can see there's a USB port here. Okay, I think it goes from the down here, and you can, okay, this way rather. You can put in your cable and plug it in without having to pull up the propeller guard. So